Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the best Southern peach cobbler. Guys, this was served up with some French vanilla ice cream on an all butter pastry crust. The link for the all butter pastry crust will be in the description box along with the measurements also. Alright guys, I hope you guys try this recipe. If you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Alright, I also love making lattice top, so that is what I use for my peach cobbler. Alright, so let's jump right into this video. So these are the list of the ingredients. You can see my peaches. I already strained the liquid out. I have some nutmeg, some cinnamon, some good vanilla extract, salted butter, brown sugar, some flour, and cornstarch. So what we are going to do on low heat, we are going to melt the butter. Then we add the flour. Make sure to cook this out until it is nice and brown. Then we go in with the juice from the peaches and we are going to whisk that in. Alright, then we are going in with brown sugar. I mean, you can choose whatever sugar you like, but I love to use brown sugar for my peach cobbler. After about 3 to 5 minutes, caramel looks amazing. I am going in with my peaches. We are going to add here some ground cinnamon, some good nutmeg, and some good vanilla extract. Alright, then we're going to give this a good stir. And what we will do, guys, is allow this to cook for about 3 minutes on medium-low heat. We still want the peaches to, have that integrity, look nice and whole. Just like that, looks amazing. Look at that. It is so thick and not runny. The consistency here is just perfect, and the ingredients and the measurements for this will be in the description box. This filling is to die for, as the pastry crust. So now I am rolling out my all butter pastry crust. You want it to about 1/4 of an inch thick. You don't really want it too thin. Alright, just like that. Then I'm going to transfer my pastry crust to my baking dish using my rolling pin. Awesome. And then we're going to tuck everything in really nice and neat and firm here. Then we're going to trim all the excess. Look at that, absolutely amazing. So now it's time for the magic. All right, we are going to pour our peaches here. Make sure to get all that goodness. Guys, if you have never made peach cobbler this way, this is going to be your new favorite way. All right, it is so delicious. Oh my gosh. All right, make sure everything is even out, throughout the bowl. So now I'm rolling the other half of my all butter pastry crust, and then I will be cutting 10 strips here. So you can also use biscuit topping. Some people use pancake batter, but all butter, warm, crunchy, scrumptious pastry crust is, to me, alright, is my favorite way to do my peach cobbler. So we are going to lay 5 strips down. Alright, and doing this is so easy. Then we're going to pull back number 2 and number 4, and we are going to add 1 strip there, and then we're going to pull that back. And then we are going to pull back number 1, 3, and 5, which is number 3, and place another pastry crust there, fold number 2 in 4 backwards. Then we're going to put another one like that, and so forth and so on. You get the idea by now how it's done, until it looks like this. Then we are going to trim all the excesses off of there. Make sure it is nice and neat. It looks amazing. All right, so you get the idea what we're doing. Then here I have 1 egg, some sugar, and a little bit of water. And I'm going to brush right over the top of my peach cobbler here. And we are going to bake this, guys, for 40 minutes in a 350 degrees oven. All right, yes guys, do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new. All right, look at that, guys. It's heaven. It smells absolutely amazing. My son and I really enjoy this. The warmness of the peach, it still has the integrity, it is still whole. The flavor is just immaculate. The all butter pastry crust is to die for. The combination of this is just breathtaking, and I hope you guys really try this one. All right, so again, thank you all so much for spending the time with me today. I'll see you on the next video, and again, do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.